Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gillian here. I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be taking you guys along for a little bit of grocery shopping and showing you my full weekly food haul as a fully raw vegan. If you watch my channel, you know I'm a raw vegan. I'm absolutely thriving. I've been doing it for over 5 years and I love it. So I do not cook my food. I source and buy the most beautiful and best fruits and vegetables ever. So I'm excited to take you along for a little bit of the shopping, tell you how I choose things, and show you my food haul and what exactly I pay for the week, and also show you some of the meals I plan on making with that food. So let's get started, guys. Apples are a staple. I know they're pretty simple, not too exciting, but to me they're exciting and I always have them on hand every week. They just feel like some of the most high vibe foods there are. So Honeycrisp are my favorite. So I'm gonna grab some of those. And I love mangoes as well. I just bought a case actually at the Asian market, which I will show you guys as well. So I did go to a couple other stores. So I'll show you everything I have in the food haul when I get back. So I just grabbed some alfalfa sprouts, which I love. They're just loaded with enzymes and life and make me feel so good adding them to my salad. Also here at this amazing market, I grabbed some sunflower microgreens. I've actually heard that these are one of the most nutrient dense foods on the entire planet. And I feel a big difference adding these to my salad and I love them as well, you guys. So I will pick out some fresh kale. Kale is always a staple for me that I love every week. But also I like to look for different things every week as well, something different to buy, because I know that that is best for your gut microbiome, to feed it different plants, different fruits and vegetables all the time as well. That's how you get the strongest gut, the healthiest immune system, and just live your best life. So I'm gonna grab some fresh dill as well because I have fallen in love with raw vegan tzatziki. So I know that dill and a few other ingredients go in that. So I wanna try and make that this week as well. And I will let you guys know how that turns out if you want. And make sure you subscribe if you don't already, because I create great raw vegan content every single week and I love making these videos for you guys. I'm also gonna pick up some of these onions because my mom is staying with me. So I actually will have a bigger food haul this week and she's been eating all raw as well and she's not usually raw. So we might do a video about that. She loves these type of onions, dipping them in salt. So I'm gonna grab these for her. I'm gonna grab a couple other things and then I'll meet you guys back at the house. I'll show you my entire food haul from the 3 different stores I went to and what I plan on doing with these meals this week. Super exciting raw vegan meals, and I will see you guys in a sec. Here we are back at my apartment and I have the entire food haul I have got for the week. So I actually got a little bit extra this week because my mom is currently staying with me at my apartment and she is actually eating all the meals I've been making. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video about her raw experience, comment down below and maybe we can do that as well. But I've been preparing for her as well. So I bought a little bit extra, and then I'm actually doing a really awesome video too with a couple of my friends taste testing durian and jackfruit for the first time. It may or may not already be on my channel when you see this, but definitely subscribe so you don't miss that and lots of other great videos. So I did get this jackfruit this week, you guys. I am so excited about this. My friend Eli at the Free Melon Society recommended this amazing market in Toronto called, I think it was called Ample Market. And wow, you guys, they had the best fruit. So this is a 30-pound jackfruit and this was only $25. So that seemed like a really good deal to me. I think I've paid like double that in other places for the same size jackfruit. And I actually have some that is cut open already that I'm just gonna go grab quick to show you guys so you can see how it looks inside. Here, this is a cut open jackfruit. I wish I could like put it through the camera and have you guys smell it. This is one of my favorite fruits on planet Earth. It literally tastes like juicy fruit gum and it is so delicious. So I believe this is like one of the largest tree growing, I think it is the largest tree growing fruit in the world. And I think they grow up to 120 pounds. So this one was 30 pounds. I'm really excited about that. And it gives so much food. So I'm gonna share some of this with my friends as well, with Eli, and we're gonna use that in the video. So I am sharing some of this food as well. I did spend a bit extra this week, but I'm all about like the abundance of fruits and vegetables. Did buy, which I can't really lift up right now, but I can try to get a shot of it after, a big case of bananas as well. Lately, I have been buying my bananas by the case to save money. So this was only 20 something for the case of bananas, which is great. And my mom and I are using a lot of those bananas for smoothies. And I also make really delicious banana ice cream as well with those, a blue spirulina ice cream, cacao ice cream, lots of different ice creams. So that's my plan for those this week. I will freeze those. I got some amazing sauerkraut. This is my favorite kind of sauerkraut. I get this at Whole Foods. So this is a carrot and ginger. And this is really great for your gut, feeding your microbiome. Picked up a couple, I don't know where the other one is, of yellow dragon fruit at the Asian market as well. These are so delicious and my favorite type of dragon fruit. And then I already showed you guys the sprouts and stuff I got from the market we were just at, so I won't go through those. But I also did pick up, this is a raw pre-prepared salad you can get here in Toronto. So this is called the Shred by Bio Raw. So it just has different raw ingredients in it, and then it has a pre-made raw dressing as well. Sometimes I do pick up some pre-made stuff like that in case I'm like on the go, just to have for backup in the fridge. And I'm really excited. So I posted this mango salsa, which I always buy at Whole Foods, on my channel, and one of my subscribers says it's so good just eating it. Mango salsa straight up with like romaine hearts. So thank you so much for letting me know that. It's absolutely amazing. So I'm hooked on that right now. And then I also got some guacamole as well. So with the guacamole, I'm gonna spread it on the collard greens. So I'm gonna do the guacamole and then put in some veggies and different things with that and wrap it up, and that is really good. And these collards, they're also super good with like avocado just like placed all along the bottom, and then veggies, sprouts, things like that. You can make a nice ranch dip with it, things like that. So that's what I plan on doing there. I also got a big case of mangoes. So this is a pretty big case. This was only 20 bucks, which was a great deal because lately I've been adding mangoes and raspberries into I have some raspberries actually I got as well, but they're not here. Some mangoes and raspberries into my salads for dinner. So delicious. Just mango, raspberry, avocado, greens, some veggies, and it's so good like that. I haven't been doing like a big dressing lately, and I just feel so amazing like that. And I also got some pineapples because these look like really good ones to me. I got these on sale at the Asian market as well. What I plan on doing with those is I plan on cutting up one and using it on top of a curry that I'm gonna make. So a zucchini noodle curry. So I'll spiralize these and the squash and the spiralizer, and then make a curry sauce for that. And I'll put on top the pineapple, some red onion, some bell pepper, and some things. I'll try to put a picture on the screen of that right now, but that's delicious. This I picked up as well. This is a local fresh pressed almond milk. So this is unsweetened, and I use this sometimes. I don't make my own. Sometimes I use this. And this is for my chia seed pudding. So I have a recipe for that, which I will link below for you guys, but I love chia seed pudding. To me, it's the most filling raw vegan food there is. And I also picked up this pumpkin seed protein powder, which I absolutely love lately. So one of my friends got me hooked on this. What I love about this, it has so much protein per gram. So I add it to my smoothie, and I notice a big difference in incorporating some protein powder. I love it. I know some raw vegans don't, and I support what everyone chooses to do, but I personally love it. And this was only 20 bucks for this, which is great because I have some protein powders, which I love, which are a bag with probably a little bit less contents than this, and they're like 80 or 100 bucks. They can get very expensive. So many people don't realize like pumpkin seeds are very inexpensive, great source of protein, especially in a powder form like this. So I really recommend this. I love this, and I'm excited to have some of my own of that. I got some fresh coconuts as well, which I love. Like these, you guys have probably seen me eat before. These are like a go-to for me. They just like, nothing makes me feel better than like fresh coconut water, and having the meat too. They just like electrify you, and they just, the natural electrolytes in these do so much for your body and for your mind. So these make me feel incredible. I have the Coco Jack tool, which I will link below. It's so easy to open them, drink them, and then scoop out the meat. And then I'm so excited I saw these, which are like the unhusked ones, like are like, I think these are the white ones underneath. I don't know, but these are a different kind of coconut. Yeah, the Costa Rica ones, which I have never seen in Toronto. I got these at the market that Eli recommended as well. So he's gonna come over today and help me open these because I don't have a machete and I don't know how to open these. So if you guys know how to open this or have suggestions, comment down below. And then also I got some sun-dried tomatoes as well. These are a go-to for me. So I use these with vine tomatoes and cherry tomatoes and salt and pepper and some dried oregano in an amazing tomato sauce recipe in the Vitamix with the spiralized zucchini, which you guys have seen on my channel if you are an existing subscriber, which I love you guys so much. The oranges are for the curry sauce I was telling you guys about with the pasta. And then I have some romaine. I have some amazing fresh greens here as well. And I have some other greens here as well, a spring mix I picked up. The greens don't last too long, so usually with the greens I'll go in a couple days as well and get a couple more, but that is pretty much it. I think I have a couple other things that I haven't shown you guys, but purple cabbage as well, which I love on top of a raw vegan Caesar salad. That's probably what I'll use the romaine for. So you guys, I got soursop as well, and this is actually perfectly ready to eat. So we're gonna eat this today in a video. And I'm really excited about this. Soursop is so delicious. If you haven't tried it before, I can't recommend enough like heading to an Asian market and trying to find some. And so do all these fruits and foods in general. They've literally like healed all the health problems I've had. I would say possibly saved my life through a lot of things. And I absolutely love this diet. That is this week's food haul. Like I said, I did get a little bit more extra this week, a little bit more abundance because my mom is staying here eating as well. And I'm filming a couple really good videos this week as well with the foods like the jackfruit and giving some away as well. So I definitely believe in taking care of myself. I do love having an abundance of fruits and vegetables around all the time, and that is definitely where I spend my money. That being said, I do have to hop back on a budget pretty soon probably as well. So I am planning on making another video when I do that as well in a couple weeks of how to eat raw vegan on a budget for $50 a week. I did one video like that not too long ago, and it was super popular and you guys loved it. So I'm excited to do it again, and I'm definitely gonna go along and do that with you guys in the video because I spend a lot of money on my channel and a lot of money on food, and I should start budgeting again. Anyway, that's it for this week's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.